माननीय सदस्य श्री सदानंद मालू सेठ तनावड़े।
Thank you, Madam. My special mention is demand for reservation for scheduled tribes in Goa Legislative Assembly. I rise to draw the attention of this august House to an urgent and significant issue pertaining to the political representation of scheduled tribes in the Goa Legislative Assembly. Goa, with its rich cultural heritage and diverse population, is home to several scheduled tribes who have been integral to the social and economic fabric of the state. Despite their contribution, the scheduled tribes in Goa have not been adequately represented in the State Assembly. The Indian Constitution guarantees political reservation for scheduled tribes to ensure their meaningful participation in the democratic process and to address their unique social, economic, and cultural challenges. However, in Goa, there is currently no political reservation for scheduled tribes in the State Assembly, which hampers their ability to influence policies and decisions that directly affect their lives. This lack of representation impedes the empowerment and development of the scheduled tribes in Goa. We must address this issue to ensure inclusive governance and equitable development. I urge the government to take immediate steps to amend the representation norms and provide political reservation for scheduled tribes in the Goa Legislative Assembly. This measure is essential to uphold the constitutional rights of scheduled tribes and to promote their active participation in the democratic process. Thank you, ma'am.
माननीय सदस्य